Hey, cheers everybody from head over to Antique Toys. We are going to look at the Hubley toys from an overview perspective. We've got some 30s toys from Hubley, 1929 or so, 1925 or so, early 20s with that gas truck. Nickel size would be these guys. Dime would be like this gas truck. Quarter or so, we get down to the red guy, which might be 50 cents or so, maybe a little closer to $1, but 50, 75 cents. This guy would be probably closer to $1. And then this impossibly large guy for petrol might be $1.50, even remotely $2. We got a Packard over here just for comparison. Or we could do the whole run again. And let's say we pick things like, I don't know, steak trucks. You can have a small steak truck up at the top. We get down to quarter or so steak truck, 50 cents or so steak truck. And mind you, this isn't exactly small, decent sized. Get the next size up. And on this row, we don't have a good steak truck, but we got this beast of a steak truck here. And just to contrast, if you grab this and you look at it and you say that's pretty big, it becomes immense once you realize how large these other toys are for the sake of comparison. Little guy, big guy. And in case you saw this nice car carrier, we've got the early 20s toys on a late 20 carrier. In case you saw this guy, we got a Hubley Packard. Nice little nickel plating details. Or another Hubley toy, good old lever dump truck. Or maybe you saw one of these. Nice merchant's delivery. Here's one that came through my buddy. Nice little truck mixer. Here is the Hubley Packard, all original condition, pull toy. So when you have a pull toy, kids tended to pull them on the top. So cheers from Ed over to Antique Toys. Keep us in mind for small Hubley toys, medium Hubley toys, pretty darn large Hubley toys, really large Hubley toys, or even the exceptionally large, well-detailed Hubley toys. Have a great day.